Hi there and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Patelai 11-piece waterproof patio cushion covers designed for outdoor sectional furniture. These covers come in 3 convenient sizes to fit most patio cushions, perfect for sofas, chairs, and couches. Made from durable polyester, they are both reliable and reusable, offering protection against stains while remaining comfortable. The covers feature an invisible zipper, side lacing, and hook and loop tapes for easy securing and a snug fit. Their elegant green color adds a fresh, stylish look to your outdoor space. Ideal for parties, weddings, or everyday relaxation, these covers help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Protect your cushions and enhance your patio's beauty with these versatile slipcovers. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.